Alright guys, so there's something I just noticed. So you have the low, the E, A, and the D to CGC, which is basically drop C. If you hear it very closely, you hear like a weird noise. Like, what is that noise? Like, wait, hang on. See, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's like coming out from like the bridge. Or maybe because of the string gauge, or maybe the bridge is like, or maybe the bridge is not tightened up, or maybe the bridge isn't tightened up, or maybe the bridge isn't tightened that well. See, I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, it's making that weird noise. Anyways, give me details, please, because I really need to know. Anyways, just wanted to make this little video, and yeah, see ya.